Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how you can find image info on designs that are within Cricut Design Space. So this does only work for images that are inside Cricut Design Space and not for images that you upload yourself. First thing we need to do is go to images. We're going to do advanced search, and here we can see lots and lots of different images that we can select from. Some are free, some you can buy. So we're going to select an image. Here we can see now we've got this Halloween design with a cat and a pumpkin. If we head up to the top here, we can see that the designer is Mooncrafts SVG Studio, and down here we can see similar images. These might all be from, if we select those, they're all from different designers. So if we go back now, we can head up and select the name of the designer, and that's now going to show us their page and how many likes they've got, how many followers, how many people they're following, and it also shows us all the designs that they have created. So if you wanted to select one of their designs and you really liked it, then you could also choose similar designs that they have also created, and some of these are really fun and funky looking, I think. So we'll just select this design now. So again, it's the same designer, and up here there is an image number. Now Cricut Design Space does not allow you to share images. However, if somebody commented, "Oh, I like your design," then you could share with them the image number, and that would allow them to find the image themselves if they wanted to use it. These are designed by designers outside of Cricut Design Space, so therefore you would have to pay for it. So we've added our first image to our canvas. We can see here now it's in the layers panel. If we double click on there and scroll all the way down to the bottom, that also shows us image info, and it will also show us that it's a Halloween design, and it will give us the same number that it gave us on the previous screen. And that's a really great way of finding out more information about the image, such as who's designed it and the image number. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.